Life is spiritual, profoundly so. It doesn't matter what anyone thinks. The truth is unshakable. The spiritual realm governs the physical. The metaphysical is not distant or abstract. It is here, surrounding us, intertwined with the reality we see. But only those who awaken their consciousness can truly grasp its power. You must rise above the ordinary, master the forces around you, and channel the metaphysical to shape your destiny. Pray without ceasing. Act without hesitation. Move forward with unwavering resolve. Never falter, never retreat, never surrender. As Luke 18:1 declares, "And he spake a parable unto them to this end, that men ought always to pray and not to faint." Subscribe to this channel now for more of this inspiration.